I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel.
Hey guys, it's your girl Casey. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are doing a little beach day vlog. I'm going to the beach with Trey and Jada. I had like my two other friends were supposed to come, but I don't think they're coming today. I think they might come next week, so that's that. Before we get into the video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notifications every time I post. With that being said, let's get on into the video. So this is the bag that I'm taking with me to the beach. These are my just essential things. This is my keys, my portable AirPods, mask, my wallet, gum, Uno cards. And then I'm gonna be wearing this with these black shorts. My glasses, aren't they cute? Like, sis. But then this is my swimsuit. Yeah, it's cute. Like, it's so cute. Like, so cute. But yeah, oh, can't forget speaker. But yeah, so right now I'm about to go hop in the shower and, you know, take a shower real quick, then put on my bathing suit, and then yeah. Hey guys. So I just got my ring light and I put it together, and like, bro, let me tell you, you see that? You, oh, who that? Me? Stop. Let me stop. But like, bro, this ring light is so bomb. Like, I feel like everybody should have a ring light because, bro, like, my skin looks so good. My lip gloss is popping. Like, you can see the baby hair. Like, get into it. But we're just waiting on Trey because he said he was asleep, but he need to get up because we need to go to the beach and take some pictures and tan, all that good stuff. My go-to to tan is tanning oil. This one right here. Yeah, and he sprayed on a little. I kid you not. You will be all golden brown, all that. This is the only tanning oil I'll be putting on. And it smells good too. I also put sunblock. This one. Nah, I'm really obsessed with this ring light, y'all. Like, I can't wait to do more videos. Man, look at it. Look at the little glow.
I said, bitch, where?
Check me out. What is this? It's like, girl, just cut it off your head. But like, man, I can't wait to go to the beach. I'm gonna take this with me, my edge, just in case, because you know I can't be out there looking crazy. My lip gloss, aloe vera lip gloss. Yeah, I don't know if I want to wear this shirt, or should I just throw on the shades? What are you talking about? Hey, these are so freaking cute. Like, excuse me, what'd you say? Oh, okay, because I thought a bald-headed bitch said something. I'm doing too much, but like, yo, I really love this ring light. Alright, but I'm gonna catch you guys when Trey picks me up and we go get Jada. So, okay guys, so we are in the car. I'm with Trey. And we just gotta go get Jada. But you know the vibe. Like, I'm feeling extra cute, you feel me? I got on my little checker bands because, you know, I don't really have slippers. Guys, so Jada's in the car now.
Hey!
Look at her little swimsuit, look cute.
3 out of 3.
We left mad stuff, so I gotta go back get the speaker. Trey gotta go get his wallet.
Left, right. The first time. Oh, no, I'm just going to the bridge.
Hey guys, so we made it to the beach. We finally made it to the beach or whatever. It's my see Jada's. No Trey. I'm just thinking about my. But yeah, so we got Wendy's and we got waters and stuff like that. I'm weak. But yeah. Yeah, we're schooling right now. There's a lot of people here. Don't get my dog on my
What's waterfall? They don't have
It's like hot. Jada's tanning. Trey don't want to get darker. We're just cooling right now. Yeah, so we're about to leave the beach. I got a little tan.
She got ads for like for a Snapchat. So she got ads.
Yeah, some boy came up to me talking about some, oh, I wanted to, like, my friend wants to talk to you or whatever. I said, I have a boyfriend. Nah. Not doing it. But yeah. Anywho, now we're just in the car, we chilling. Jada's getting SoBol. Where are we going after this? If we go to the mall, I want raw. Oh my god, I look so. I hate when I do this. In. Hold on, I want y'all to.
I wasn't really fun. Man,
It was my elbow on the chair.
I'm tired. First of all, y'all see how dark I am?
We was just getting ready to take. We was just taking pictures for Tom.
We really are. Step into you this way. See, I've been watching you. Oh shit!
Oh my god, I'm broke. Don't ask me to go out until another week.
Okay, so never have I ever cheated on the test. Never have I ever cheated on the SAT. Never have I ever got suspended. What you get suspended for?
You?
Oh.
You?
Yeah! That's the story time.
That was not even me.
Story time, guys.
That was all her fault.
Story time.
So the one that said, we have to be low key, bro. Alright, bro.
Nah,
So
Jada
basically,
is actually mad funny.
so somebody had gave me like a nugget,
alcoholic
right?
beverage.
Yeah, like a
Mind
small
you, she
little
coulda said
alcoholic
no.
beverage, right?
She could have said no. That's where the problem started.
Anywho, right? So I had told them I had it, right? You know, they took some or whatever. But this idiot right here said in the middle of the hallway, bro. Like, I'm like, oh my god. I'm like, Trey, relax, bro, relax. Next thing you know, a freaking substitute teacher
and he looked like a lizard. Anyways, he came and he was like, "What's going on here?" Takes the drink and he's like,
"Smells it? Oh my god!" It was cool.
I was like, "That ass." Then you went running. He went running.
Bro, what you want me to do? What you want me to do? It's over now.
He went running, bro. He left me, bro. He went running and Jada stayed or whatever. But the teacher only took me. And of course, I'm not gonna be like, oh, da da da, like no. So then I like basically took.
Nah, but you know, like thinking about, I was at a speaking of the situation because it was like, bro, she called me on the phone that day. I was like, oh, da da da, you feel so bad. You tell me that you had a drink too. I'm over here like, girl, you must be out your fucking mind. You must.
Yeah, the fuck? Cause your girl was suspended because of this. What? How many days? I missed homecoming.
But you still came now.
What was it? Pep rally. I missed pep rally.
Pep rally was whack that year.
My sophomore year, I ain't have pep rally.
It was sophomore year.
That was my first time being on the turf.
And it was
my sophomore year, and I didn't go. But
more of the story, don't buy alcohol if you're underage.
I did not buy.
You wasn't even close to being. Never have I ever got into a fight.
Got into an altercation.
That don't count. First and foremost, y'all, fun fact, Nakacee was about to fight. She wasn't about to do nothing. She wasn't about to do nothing.
Wait, what are you talking about?
I'm talking about when Jada was about to fight in the cafeteria. And you were sitting there like, I was like, and I'm in the cafeteria.
No, because,
I'm like,
bro, what is she keep coming at me for? What are you saying to me, bro?
But she won't come at you if you didn't jump in that fight.
Who? Jada, did I jump in?
No, but she didn't. But it was like me, like.
They was talking shit. I'm not gonna let you sit here and keep talking.
I come into the cafeteria and I hear all this blah, 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 blah. I'm like, yo, what's going on? So I see Jada. I'm like, what is happening over here?
Jada was freaking up in the air.
Jada was in the air, so I'm like more worried about her. I'm like, all right, she good. The security I got her.
Bro,
so then, like, I look, and the case is looking like I said, this is Jada. I'm like, bro, what are you doing?
I was mad.
I'm like, Nakacee, what are you doing? I'm like, yo, let's go. She was like, no. And no. I'm like, bro, you're not about to fight. Calm down. Like, you're not about to do nothing.
He does said that though.
I was like, you're not about to fight nothing, so calm down. I said, what you about to do, bro? And then we're gonna call her Tierra. Tierra was like, oh, Nakacee, if you're gonna jump in, I'm gonna jump in. I'm like, yo, and I'm cool with both of them. So at this point, I'm like, yo, Tia, relax. Like, relax. Just go. And the kid, he's like, no. I'm like, bro, first and foremost.
Bro.
Because that was when Nakacee when she had bad wings. So I'm over here like, first and foremost, Nakacee, let's be real.
I was a little injured.
You was limping. Like, come on now.
That's why I tore my ACL.
Like, I put her in the little cafeteria line. I was like, bro, let's be real.
What are you fighting for?
Like, nothing. You got no reason to fight. Jada got a legitimate reason.
Exactly. So what is you pressing me for? Why are you trying to start with me if there's no reason for us to fight? That's what I was trying to tell them the whole goddamn time.
But you were standing like you about to make something shake. Because I felt threatened. I wasn't even in the fight. And I was like, oh yeah, she about to jump in.
Because it gets to a point where if you keep pushing my buttons, bro, I'm going to be...
But you didn't, it didn't look like you was about to attack. Tierra looked like you about to jump in with Jada. That's why she came at you.
Nobody, bro, I was letting Jada do whatever the hell Jada was doing.
Because she was like, Jada was here.
Standing there for Jada was support.
Like, they said Jada was here, and then Casey looking at Jada and them like...
I'm gonna need this clip. Like, now.
I'm over here like, yo, I know Nakacee is not about to fight nobody, like. And then I get Nakacee to come down, and I'm walking, and Jada, she throws her phone across the whole cafeteria. Yes, you did. You was like, Kevin, get my phone, and you threw your phone across the cafeteria, like literally, bro. Like she was on this side of the cafeteria, I was on this side. I said,
oh yeah, because that's when they was taking you out.
Bro, yes. I was like, bruh. And then I'm cooling. I see Jada take off down the hallway. Chill. I'm like,
run. She started running. I said,
mind you, Jada don't run.
Jada don't run, but that's the best I've ever seen Jada run.
Jada don't run. Huh?
Okay, nah, but that was a different type of run.
That
bro.
was like, you was on a mission. Like, I saw it, and you didn't, like, it was
You
television.
was playing no
Like,
game.
Jada was like,
Woo!
Storytime done.
Yeah, man, that was fun.
So what was the story talking about? Because I missed like
The time
It was about,
like
don't
us
know.
fighting, you fighting.
Oh, for the Never Have I Ever?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was like,
Never
it went from
jumped
never
or something.
ever, and then it went into.
Got into a fight or something.
High school days.
You better park that shit. Well, I'll park it for you. Cause look, how we I ain't Tierra, bitch, I'ma hit you. I ain't gonna quit.
And I'm gonna hit you back.
So I'm finally home. The beach was kind of fun. You know, really didn't do much. We just like tan, like just laugh, joke around, play fight, all that. But it was fun. It was a chill ass day. Yeah, after the beach we went to go get SoBol, and then I got tacos from the mile, and yeah, and then we just went home. So yeah, overall it was a fun day, and I would do this again. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.